Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I hope you are enjoying my videos of the series hashtag 21 days of 2021 with Bhavika. So here I am with another video continuing this series. For all those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Bhavika. I make fashion, makeup, beauty and lifestyle related videos. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and stick to me. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll get updates every time I post a video. So for today's video, I'm going to review these 3 palettes from Revolution Pro. I recently got these palettes from Xoxo makeup for $14.99 जिसमें एक palette मुझे 500 rupees का पड़ गया, which is very decent. So I just came here to talk about them and I'm going to use one of these palettes on my eyes today. So if you want to see how these palettes perform, then continue watching. So starting this video by reviewing these palettes. ये तीनों palettes के pigments बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing है. ये बहुत ही अच्छे perform करते हैं. ये तीनों palettes काफी different tones के हैं, इसीलिए मैंने ये set of bundle select किया था. ये जो palette है, first one is the Velvet Rose palette. इसका undertone काफी warm है और मुझे ये palette personally सबसे favorite लगता है. I really like this one and I enjoy using this palette a lot. Talking about the pigments and the shades, the mattes and the shimmers both perform very nicely and they are very great in pigmentation, so there is no problem with the pigmentation of these shades. Xoxo मेकअप पे ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द टाइम रिवॉल्यूशन प्रो और अदर ब्रांड्स के जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो कॉम्बो ऑफर्स में अवेलेबल होते हैं. तो अगर आपने वो साइट चेकआउट नहीं की है तो गो अहेड एंड चेक इट आउट. You can find really amazing combination offers over there. So coming back to the review, this is the second palette that I'm going to talking about. This is the Hypnotic palette. इस palette में सारे जो shades हैं वो काफी cool undertone के हैं. अगर आपको cool undertones अच्छे लगते हैं तो आपको ये palette बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. ये neutral है लेकिन ये from the cool family है और ये भी neutral है लेकिन ये from the warm family है. You can make out the difference quite nicely from both of these palettes. I personally enjoy more of the cool undertones rather than warm undertones, but then कभी warm undertones भी मुझे काफी अच्छे लगते हैं. So you can use the warm or the cool as per your preference. Moving on to the third palette. The third palette is the Red Alert palette. This has a lot of colorful shades in this. Not so many colorful, इतने भी colorful नहीं है पर काफी कलरफुल शेड्स. और अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत कलर आपके आईज पे पसंद है और आप थोड़ा बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाहते हैं विद कलर्स तो ये पैलेट आपको बहुत पसंद आ सकता है. मुझे ये पैलेट पर्सनली बहुत पसंद आया है बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर सिलेक्शन. द कलर्स दे हैव सिलेक्टेड आर वेरी वेरिएबल येट वेरी कलरफुल and I really like how versatile this palette is. For today's eye look, I'm going to use this cool tone palette. This is the Hypnotic palette. I really like the shades in this and as I've already mentioned, I like more of the cool undertones rather than warm undertones. तो मैं आज ये वाला palette use करने वाली हूँ. So without further ado, let us jump straight into the tutorial. I've already primed my list using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and now I'm going to start with the transition shade. For transition shade, I'm going to be using this shade. ये एक बहुत ही न्यूट्रल कलर है and almost the color of my lids ही है और इतना ज़्यादा शो अप भी नहीं करेगा. But we need a transition shade for our base ताकि मैं इसको और बिल्डअप करती जाऊँ. धीरे धीरे हम इसमें कलर बिल्डअप करते जाएंगे तो आप देखते जाएंगे कि धीरे धीरे ये लुक कैसे from neutral to smoky बन जाएगा. For the second color, I'm going to take a slightly darker shade from the color that I used, which is this color in the palette. I am going to apply this only to the crease of my eyes and I am not going to blend it all over the lid. ये मैं सिर्फ अपनी crease पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. इसको आप जितना चाहे उतना बिल्डअप कर सकते हैं as per your convenience. आप अगर ज्यादा डार्कर क्रीज चाहते हैं तो आप और ज्यादा डार्क कलर यूज कर सकते हैं. You can see the amount of depth it added to my crease. Always take a lighter shade first and then start building up your colors. I am going to be taking a small brush and I am going to be taking a darker shade from the palette to darken my outer corner. For that I am taking this brown shade over here and I am just going to apply it to the outer corner by dusting off the excess. If you are working for really dark outer corner, make sure that you work in small portions. अगर आप एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा कलर लगा लेंगे तो वो blend करने में दिक्कत हो सकती है. You can see how pigmented these shades are and you can see how pigmented this dark brown color is. It is very difficult to find such a pigmented brown color and such a deep brown color also. Okay, I'm going to add shimmer next. For shimmer, I'm going to be using this shade in the corner right here. ये बहुत ही कॉपर गोल्डन कलर है जो मुझे बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. आई एम गोइंग टू बी अप्लाइंग दिस ऑन माय लिड्स यूजिंग माय फिंगर्स. यू कैन सी हाउ प्रिटी दिस शेड लुक्स. इट इज really pretty and amazing. I am just going to layer it a little more so that my eyes look a little bit more shimmery. So I just finished the rest of my face and I am back with my final thoughts. If you want to know what I have applied on my lips, I have applied this Nika K True Matte Lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose. Talking about these three palettes, I guess these palettes are worth every penny of your money. और इसमें कोई भी मुझे ना मैट्स में कोई प्रॉब्लम लगी ना शिमर्स में. अभी तक मैंने जितने भी कलर्स यूज किए हैं सबके पिगमेंट्स बहुत ही अच्छे और बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. If you have been looking for some great eyeshadows that perform really nicely, I guess you can invest in Revolution Pro palettes. Also, don't forget to check the offers that HOK Makeup has to deliver. They have some very nice combo offers which you can check out and buy from them. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye.